Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video with Blink Brain. So today we're gonna be making a Flappy Bird game on Scratch. Very simple, very easy, anyone can do it. So before we start, I want to say please support me by smashing that like button, smashing that subscribe button, and sending this to a friend or sharing it. Yeah, so in Flappy Bird we don't need a cat, so let's remove that. We go to choose a sprite, a bird. I'm gonna take a parrot. It's normally not a parrot, but I'm gonna take it this time. It's too big, so I'm gonna make the size, say 35, 38, 38, 37. That's good. Okay, now I'm gonna start coding. So let's go to events. When clicked, I want it to go to this position, almost this position. So go to x minus 171, y is gonna be 0. There. Then we're gonna make a variable called fly. Okay, you're gonna know what this variable is for. Okay, set fly to 0. Then we're gonna go to control forever. Change y by fly. So apparently now you understand. Fly is gonna be how much the y-axis is gonna change. Now we're gonna do if then else, if then else, key space pressed. So if key space pressed is pressed, then change fly by, let's say, 2. Okay, so if key space pressed, this will go up 2 steps. Okay, we didn't finish coding, that's why it's going up the whole time. Else, if we're not clicking the space press, if the space, then it's gonna change fly by -1. Now let's see. See what happened right there? Now it's working. If I'm not clicking the spacebar, it goes down. If I am clicking the spacebar, it goes up. Understand? Okay. Now I'm gonna do another if then, but without else. If then. Now we're gonna leave that there. We're gonna come back to it later on. I'm gonna go to choose a sprite and upload a sprite. We're gonna choose this green tube. Yeah, we're gonna put that green tube right here. It's gonna be, the green tube. Okay, wait, that's the problem. It's white around. So let's remove that. We look for another one. A little better one. Let's see. Okay, I bet this one will work out. Save image as. Save. Okay, we go upload. Sprite. Okay, and we take this one. Oh my. We go again. See this? No. Transparent. Save image as. Save. Upload sprite. I wish this works now. No. Let's try to go to customize. Let's delete. See if we do zoom in. We're gonna edit this so it's like what we want. Delete from here. Delete all the way until there's none of these white things. Delete. And here too. We're almost done. Delete. Oh boy. Let's go back. Do again. Stop right there. Delete. And then from here you're gonna do again like this. Delete. There, we're done like this. Just here. That. This. There. Now we're done with this. Nice. And straight. We do, you see it was like this. Now do convert to vector. That's very important. Don't forget. Convert to vector. Now go down. We put this here. And then, oh no, let's see, you know what? Let's put this in the middle and then we need to copy paste. Now we put this down here. We flip this vertically. Put it up there. Like this, you see? So it's facing each other. Like that. That's nice. Let's make this a little higher up. A little down here. Okay, there it goes. Okay, now we're gonna go start coding. We're gonna do when clicked. When clicked forever. Create clone of myself. Okay, so we scroll down, create clone of myself, and then wait 2 seconds. Okay, we're gonna make this hide, the original one hide, and then I'm gonna do when I start as a clone, then we want it to go somewhere here, so it's like it's like you're moving, so it's going down like this. So go to 270, x is 270, and y it's not going to be anything specific. So we're going to go to operators, pick random 100 to minus 100, and then it's going to show there. And then we're going to do forever, if then else, if then else. So if, can go to operators, and we're gonna take this one right here, back to motion. If x position is more than minus 240, then change x by minus 6. Okay, change x by minus 6. Let's take minus 8. Yeah, whatever you want. Just this one changes how fast the tube will come down. Else, if x position is not bigger than minus 240, then let's go to control, scroll down, delete this clown. Okay, see, now let's see. You see, it's working perfectly. It's working perfectly right there. Okay, but when I'm touching the green, nothing's happening, so we need to fix that. You could see there's a lot of these white things. Let's go fix that too. Customization. Then this. Convert to bitmap. We need to convert it back to bitmap, so we do this. There. And here too. Okay. Like that. Let's see now. No. Now we can't see anything. But we need to convert it back to vector. There it goes. Now. Now it's amazing. Yeah, now we need to do, if I touch the green, then I will die, okay? So, pattern, we're gonna go to pattern, and then if then this one, right here, we're gonna add sensing, touching color, and then we're gonna make this show. Okay, yeah, there you can see it down there. If touching color, and then we click this right here. Try to spot this right there. If touching that color, no, wait, there. If touching that gray color, then stop all. Where's stop? Stop all. So now, if I touch this color, that's it. I'm dead. Okay, I need to do this. Zoom out. Do this long like this. Now, there it goes. It's a little too far away from each other. So let's convert back to bitmap. Let's move this up a little. There it goes. This one too. There it goes. Something like this. I'll convert it to vector. Now we could make this a little longer. Whatever, you could change it whenever you want. There it goes. You could change it whatever you want. Okay, you just go back. You could just change it whenever you want. Now, this. Oh yeah. Start. Oh man, why is it not showing? What did I do? There it goes now. Start. There it goes. Now it's working. Okay. Okay, so when I touch it, what happens? I die. Yeah, good. That's it. Now I just want to do also if I touch the ground, because look, if I'm touching the ground, nothing's happening. So let's make another clown. Paint. Let's paint it something like black. Zoom out. Do like this. Like this. Okay, so we don't want it to be shown. There it goes. Okay. We go back to pattern. We go to code. If touching color, that or. So or. Touching color. Go back to this. Customization. Or touching color. Black. Then stop all. Okay. So now we go back here. Go back. Oh no. Do like this. Do again. Still the same color, guys. There, that's good. So now let's see if I touch it. Yeah, good. It works well. Now let's do something like a little more nice, like stop all. Before we do stop all, let's do another background. Paint. Okay, we want to fill it. Let's make color red, reddish. Okay, let's make first a box. Put to bitmap. Now I could fill probably. There it goes. Okay, and then let's make text and right there. Game Wait, no, it's with red. Let's do the text is gonna be black, okay? Game over. There it goes. Game over. There it goes, yeah? You could see. So let's try now. Oh yeah, wait. We need to do first code. When clicked, looks switch backdrop to backdrop 1. And then if I die, switch backdrop to backdrop 2. And then stop all. There. Now I die. Game over. See? Working perfectly. It's just a little bit. Let's just change this a little from 90 to minus 90. Like that. Now that's nicer. Nope. A little more. Minus 70. Oh, I mean 70 to minus 70. There it goes. Now, there, that's nice. There, now it's not getting out of the game. And when I touch it, game over. Game over. Okay, now we want to remove this fly up there. Let's go to variables. Move fly. Let's make a new variable called score. Okay, so then we go to pattern. We do another one clicked. Then forever. Wait 2 seconds. 2 seconds, and then variable change fly by 1. Then so fly, and then we change this to scored. I mean scored, and then this one also to scored. Now, whenever I pass this, 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point, 5 point. Okay, working now. Game over. I have 5 points right now. So let's do large readout. There it goes. Now working perfectly. There. So this is the Flappy Bird game, guys. Thank you for watching to the end, and don't forget, smash that subscribe button and like the video. Thank you. Bye.